little cherry tree in our backyard.
This tree looks very unhappy this year. We don't know why. If you happen to have a fruit tree with similar problems, and you know how to treat it, please leave comments to let me know. Thank you so much. We don't have large amount of cherries this year, but the ones we get are good quality.
Amy, today I'm going to make a very juicy cherry pie. I'm using the cherry from my garden. They are all organic cherries, and I'm using a recipe from Natasha. She's amazing. Okay, let's get started.
After washing all the cherries, I start to remove cherry pit one by one. My red cherry pit remover works great. Just push it. The seed falls off so easily. But my hands still get sore from pushing over 100 times. All the seeds are removed. 6 cups of peaty cherries are prepared. Get 2 sticks of cold unsalted butter ready. Slice each butter into 4 pieces evenly. Butter keeps stuck on the knife. Super hard to move off the knife. So I end up keep cutting and let butter push butter on. Works pretty good. Then cut each slice another 3 pieces and cut them into tiny pieces. Prepare 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Put ½ tablespoon sugar and ½ teaspoon salt into flour. Mix them all together. Now put the butter we just cut into flour. I don't have full process machine, but I have strong hands. Knead each piece of butter into flour. Make it dry and powdery. My strong hands works pretty good. Pour 6 tablespoons ice water into the bowl and mix them together. When the dough sticks to the finger, put it on the cutting board. Don't want to overmix because it will be very sticky. Just put the dough together and divide into 2 equal pieces. It's hot in the house. My dough gets sticky. It's not a big deal. Just wrap each up and put in the fridge for 1 hour to cool the dough off. Now we put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into the peaty cherries and mix them. Put 1 cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and ½ teaspoon cinnamon, all in 1 bowl, and mix them. After mixing them very well, put it into cherries and gently stir them until you can now see the white flour. Put a little bit dry flour on cutting board. Take the dough out of the fridge after 1 hour. Start to knead dough. Take some patience to roll the dough to 13 diameter circle. Roll the dough on the rolling pin. My dough stuck on the cutting board. I just use cooking shovel for help. It's easier to transfer to the baking pan. Pour all the cherry filling into the pan. And use the same way to roll another dough into 12 diameter circles. Cut 10 pieces of 1-inch wide sliced dough. Put longer ones in the middle and shorter ones on the edge. And cross the pie like a net. Also fold the pie edge. I cut the overhang off to make it neat. Take a little bit of butter and cut it to tiny pieces and put in the holes of the crusting. Preheat oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Crack 1 egg. And brush it into the pie surface. Sprinkle a little bit of coarse sugar to the pie too. Bake at the lowest third of your oven at 225 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And reduce the heat to 350 Fahrenheit. Keep bake for 30 minutes. Can't wait to eat! Cut 1 slice. So good.
If you like my video, please subscribe. Bye bye!